Alex, have you ever felt nervous while talking to customer support?
Absolutely, Sarah. I always feel like I'll explain the issue wrong.
Same here. But today, let's show people how real customer support conversations sound.
Great. Let's start with a simple scenario. Calling about a slow internet connection.
Perfect. I'll be the customer, you be the support agent.
All right, let's go.
Hello, is this customer support?
Yes, ma'am. This is Alex from TechNet Customer Care. How can I help you today?
Hi, Alex. My internet has been extremely slow since morning.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let me check your connection. May I have your registered phone number?
Sure, it's 98765 43210.
Thank you. Please give me a moment while I pull up your account.
Sure, take your time.
All right, I see your account. When did the issue start?
Around 9 a.m. today.
Got it. Are the modem lights blinking normally?
The power light is fine, but the internet light keeps blinking.
That usually means an unstable connection. Let's troubleshoot together.
Okay, what do I need to do?
Please restart your modem by switching it off and on.
Alright, I just did that.
Great. Let's wait 10 seconds.
Okay. Done.
Are the lights stable now?
Yes, the internet light is stable now.
Perfect. Please check your speed once.
Wow, it's much better.
Happy to hear that. Anything else I can assist you with?
Yes, actually. How do I upgrade my plan?
You can upgrade via our app, or I can do it for you right now.
Please do it for me.
Sure. Which plan would you prefer? Silver, gold, or platinum?
What's the difference between gold and platinum?
Gold gives you 100 Mbps while platinum gives 200 Mbps with priority service.
I think I'll go with the gold plan.
Perfect. I've activated it. You'll get a confirmation message soon.
Thank you, Alex. That was easy.
Anytime, Sarah. We're here to help.
Now let's flip the roles.
Haha. Okay, now I'm the customer.
Hello, welcome to Brightbank Customer Support. How can I help you?
Hi, I just got an SMS saying my debit card is blocked.
I understand how stressful that can be. Let me check it for you.
Thank you.
May I have your customer ID, sir?
It's 5521.
Thank you. Your card was temporarily blocked due to unusual activity.
Oh, what kind of activity?
A foreign transaction attempt was detected.
I didn't make that transaction.
Don't worry, we stopped it. Would you like to unblock your card now?
Yes, please unblock it.
Done. Your card is active again.
That was fast. Thank you.
Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's all. You were very helpful.
Glad to help.
And that's how customer support calls should sound. Calm and clear.
Yes. Polite English plus clear explanation equals perfect call.
Hope our listeners feel more confident now.
And remember, don't panic, just speak slowly and politely.
Exactly. That's the secret.